Hi friends, this is your Srinivas. Welcome to our session, our mathematics trick session. Once again, my dear friends, in the tricks, before classes we have to learn about multiplication, division, fractions. These are the tricks we learnt. But in our video, this video, I assuredly, I am giving to you such a beautiful reasoning tips for you. What are the reasoning? What is the use of reasoning? You know very well. The 10th class students are writing NTPC exam. In that, math is there. Math paper, MET, mentally ability test. In that, reasoning is very important role. SSC exams also, NTPC exams also, any kind of entrance exams also, reasoning questions are very important, especially nowadays exams also. So my dear friends, that what is the value of reasoning? What is the use of reasoning? Let us see in this video till end. You should get the perfect knowledge about this. And one more important thing, today I have to explain about squares, but next class I have to explain triangles. Let us remember, you should wait for that video also. Now let us see today video, dear friend. How many triangles are there? How many triangles these four objects, these figures consist? We have to count the triangles. We have to say the answer by choosing your option. But this is very easy, these two, because counting is very easy. But like these questions, next question, anything like this will come, somewhat time consuming process. But in entrance exam we have to save the time, no? That is very important. So that way this trick is useful for you. I assure it, my dear friends. Let us see that trick. Here this part can be divided into one part only. Here two triangles are there, it can be divided into one time only. We are getting two triangles. Here dividing two parts. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are there, 4 to the 8. Here 16 triangles. Here 32 triangles. How would I know these answers? Simple technique I want to tell you. That formula is 2n. 2n. And the numbers are there here 4. 2 4 is 8. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the formula? 2n. 2 into how many numbers are there? You have to put it here. 2 8 is 16. Tally with you. And simple here also, friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And inside. And the first triangle we should get 2 8 is 16 by using the formula. In internal side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, here also you can take it 8. 2 8 is 16. 16 plus 16, 32. So I am putting the numbers. I am giving the number inside the triangles. This number is multiplied with here. In the place of n, we have to take in the place of this square can be divided into with the two diagonals and the two parts. And we have to keep the numbering. What are the numbering here? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the formula? 2n. Here in last value is 4. 2 into 4, 8. You are numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to write the numbers on a diagram with pencil or whatever is in the exam time. What is the formula? 2n. In the place of n, last number is what? 8. 2 8 is 16. Here 1 to 8 in outside a rectangle. Okay, Nandi? Outside square or rectangle. That number you multiply with in the 2. We should get 16. Inside also 16. 16 plus 16, 32. Am I right? This is the way we have to counting the how many triangles are having consisting this kind of figures. Very easy method we have to solve by using this formula. I hope that, dear friends, this is very easy to understand for you. I will give some more questions to you to solve it and comment the answer in comment section. I will tell your name and our next video. That next video is that counting the figures in triangles. Thank you. Thank you very much.